again for another edition for Get Twisted with Mr. Mike. Today we're going to be learning our first wearable item, and it's a turtle bracelet. If you can see that, I'm wearing a turtle bracelet. It's got a head and what kind of the shell and then 4 legs. This is a real fun one to make. They're very popular among company picnics, and people just really seem to enjoy them. So I'm going to set that right here, but first let's go over what we're going to do. So we are going to make the head, and then we're going to make 4 small bubbles, 1, 2, 3, 4 for his 2 front legs and 2 back legs. And then we're going to do a shell here, and then we're going to do a roll through twist, which I think is the first one you might be seeing in my video series, and we're going to go over that. If you feel a little confused, I'm going to break it all down for you. We're going to put that turtle off to the side for a second. And we're going to make a green turtle here. We're going to take a balloon, and what you're going to do is you're going to inflate it about halfway. You're going to leave a real long tail there because you're not going to need all the balloon. We'll give it a little burp. Now, by the way, this is going to be more than enough to make our turtle bracelet. So we're going to start with a head, just like this. And if you're new to balloons, watch what happens with you let go. Don't let go. Just give that a twist there. Next, so I did kind of a little bit bigger than a 1-inch bubble. I want the head to really stand out. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and you kind of got to hold it because you don't want to let go of this. And 4 bubbles for his legs. So we have 5 bubbles total. So we have a head, 2 front legs, 2 back legs. And what you're going to do here is you're going to put this crease with this crease and twist it all together. Now at this point, doesn't look like a turtle yet, but you can actually take a break here. This is not going to come apart. Now the next step is we got to make a shell, and we're going to kind of measure like this, and we're kind of going to give it about, notice that this part is about 2 bubble lengths. So we're doing kind of a 2-inch bubble there. Now this is a tricky part if you've never done this before. Very carefully, we're going to roll this balloon through to the other side, just like that. And now we have kind of a turtle bracelet. We don't need all this inflatable balloon. So you're going to have to get your scissors, and you're going to have to just snip the very end of the balloon, and all the air is going to come out, just like that. Now what I like to do to really secure it, tie it off here. And there's one more step I like to do. I like to take this and feed it through and pop out the other side. This isn't going nowhere. Sometimes when I make these balloons, I'll ask the person, do you want to hold it or do you want to wear it? If they want to hold it, I'll snip this off and they have a little turtle tail right here. If they want to wear it, then of course you keep it, and then it just wraps around like this, and you just wrap it around the neck, and you have a turtle bracelet. But before we do that, let's give him some eyes. Here's 1 eye, 2 eyes, just like that, and a big turtle smile, and there we have our finished turtle bracelet. I hope you enjoy my series of balloon twisting tutorials. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you again soon, Mr. Mike.